Okay, so I wanted to compare these hard case survival top of the keyway tension wrenches, pry bars with the Peterson pry bars. Now, really, I only have one of the good Peterson pry bars, but still want to compare tools anyway. Now, first thing I'm going to compare them to is price. These are $8.50 for 3. This is $10 for 1. They had some. I think you have to get like 5 or 6, or even maybe more for like $50 if you want to buy a set of them now from Peterson. So right there, that's something to think about. However, the shape of these is a little bit better. This is definitely a squared, and it is 0.103 inches right there. This is a more rounded tip here. This, I think, is part of the reason why these slip out a lot easier. They're also significantly smaller. Well, not at 0.09 thousandths of an inch. No, hundredths of an inch. They're 900ths of an inch. Same. Same. Let's check their actual sizes. So this is 40 thousandths, 32 thousandths, 49 thousandths. Now this should be 40 thousandths, but I don't. We'll say. Yeah, no, it is. Yeah. Interesting. The other day when I looked at this calipers, must have been more messed up. I do think that it's not much more material, but a little bit does seem to keep this be a little more structurally sound. The flip side, we got these cheaper ones I got that came with a kit. They're even taller at ends. So what's 0.116 inches? Got a narrower version here, which can be useful. Which is 0.895. $84,000. Not sure where the other numbers are coming from. Yeah. Here's the only smooth one I've got. 0.11. These do have some teeth in them, which does help with grip. But there appear to be fewer of them. They're a little bit deeper and they're fewer. That's another good measurement. Let's make here. I don't know, good way to measure this. .12. Now let's see. put some eyeballing in this a little bit more than I want. They're about the same size. Like, this just looks like a more finished product here from Peterson, and it does show when you're actually using it. I don't even know if you can buy these separately. I don't necessarily recommend them. The groove does help. But I got that in that kit I got, which was on sale, so I'm not complaining about it either. End verdict, would I buy these again? If I'm on a really small budget and I wanted something that I couldn't just make for myself, probably not. I'm not going to send them back or get rid of them, but they're definitely a lot less useful than I've been hoping, which is too bad. But on the other hand, for $8, if you can't buy your own tensioners, or if you can't make your own tensioners, or you can't make a top of the keyway tensioner that works well enough, which I'll go over in the future for how I've been making some using, windshield wipers. But if for some reason you don't have access to the tools, or you can't find the wipers, you don't have a place to work in, all of which are possible scenarios that would prevent that from being an option, and you're on a small budget, then yeah, these are worth buying. But I think that's probably the only scenario. Otherwise, you're going to want to look for just, varying thicknesses and widths of wiper blade inserts and fabricate your own, kind of like this, although probably not this big. Definitely not this long. But this is how I test things out before I make the final cut in case I need to start over again. More on that another time. But yeah, let me know if you found this helpful. I haven't done too many reviews so far, so I'm probably leaving stuff out people might want to know. So if you have any more questions, post in the comments. And thanks for watching. Bye.